Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to review this Steam Deck docking station on the ROG Ally to see how it goes. This docking station has a dual fan cooler, so we'll be testing the thermals to see if it can reduce the temps on the ROG Ally. Also, it has a PD3, so you can charge the ROG Ally with up to 100 watts as it says here, for a maximum support 100 watts. So it has a 5 gigabit per second USB 3. I think two of USB 3, and it also has a LAN port and an SD reader, and it has HDMI 2.0, so it supports 4K with up to 60 Hz. Those are the specifications on this one, so let's open it. And this is it. Here it says the brand is Shumeng. So it also comes with this silicone pad sort of that you can put here, slide it here, or you can also stick it. As you see, you can also stick it, so you can protect it from this metallic part. Instead of having it on metal, you can just have it on this silicone pad. Pretty fancy if you ask me. Anyway, I'll stick it now. Make sure that you have it aligned well so it doesn't stick on the wrong place. Now all you have to do is slide it in. There you go. Keep on pushing it so it sticks well and it lasts a lifetime. So that's it now with the silicone pad. This way it could protect it from this metallic part. So it also comes with this manual. It says specifications, and it changes display mode, stuff like that. This all supports PD3 and HDMI 2.0 and the card readers. And here is the USB 3 ports. Also on the side you see the LAN port, and that's about it. There is this button for the fans. So now I'll connect it. It's turned on. Let's turn on the fans. So the fans are turned on. They are pretty loud to say. I'll get it close to the microphone so you can hear the fan noise. You can either turn it on or off. You can't adjust the speed of those fans, so you will have to live with this noise. But you can also keep them off and still use the docking station, so it's not necessary to have them turned on in order to use the docking station. I have connected the power adapter, and you see those are the limits that I got. I have seen other docking station with higher limits than this, so maybe it's an issue with the BIOS update, because it can deliver 100 watts as I showed you, so it's more than enough. I'll update you guys if they release a fix for this in a future BIOS updates. Now it's time to test if the main feature of this docking station is actually worth it. And for that, I'll do a time spice trace test and show temps with fans turned on versus off. Let's check them out. The test has just finished. Checking the screen temp, it's about 44 Celsius. And in hardware info, the internal max temps are the following: 72.6 for die sensor and core, 61 for SOC, and 64 for APU GFX. As for the SSD, it's 48, and GPU temp is 64. I'll run the test again, but this time with fans turned on. Again, the test has just finished, and this time the screen temp is 35 Celsius. It's down by 9 degrees, and that's really insane. And in hardware info, the internal max temps are the following: 68 for die and 69 for core. As for the SOC, it's 58. And for the APU GFX, it's 59. The SSD temp is still the same, which is 48. It's exactly the same as before. And lastly, for the GPU temp, it's 59. So the difference is roughly 5 degrees, which is a welcome improvement. The most surprising part is the screen temp. Thanks to those two fans, the ROG Ally is able to push away all heat more efficiently. So that's the Shumeng dock station with its two high-speed RGB fans. Let me know what you think of it. I just wish it had speed adjustment to normalize the noise. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to support this channel and to be on track of all my ROG Ally related content. See you in the next one.